Y'all, so I am back with another video. Check me out. Check me out, sis. Check me out. Anyways, I'm back with this look. It's actually a get ready with me. I did my hair in this video. I did my makeup in a video. So yeah, so if you would like to see how I got my curls, or if you would like to see how I got this nice like little sunset look, which I'm living for. I actually hated it, and you will see in the video. We went through it, okay? But overall, I think it came out good. It could have been better, obviously, but this is what we got. And yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell your mother, your brother, your sister, your auntie, and your uncles that Nay is making videos, you know? So yeah, I would like to get to 1,000 subscribers because I would like to do a giveaway. So I'm really trying to reach my goals. So I'm trying to be consistent with you all and really make this a thing. So if you would like to support, then go ahead and do that thing. Go and share. Hit the little notification bell at the bottom so you get notifications from me every time I upload. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start with that. I just combed it out already. It's pretty much already detangled and everything. It's not too nappy, but yeah. So I just always go in. This is how I do my hair like almost every day. And I just go in with a spray bottle with just water to get it nice and wet. And most of the time I will do this process in the shower because I just run my hair under the water. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to do it with the water bottle. And on my quick days when I don't have time to, freshen it up in the shower, I gotta take these off because I'm gonna knock them out the whole time. But yeah, so I just comb through it after I get it nice and wet, and then whatever's not wet, I just go in and I get my hair really super wet for this. And I look like a little wet puppy. The center don't like take in the water too well, so gotta do that. And my hair is not freshly washed, as you probably can tell. So I do still have product in my hair. So start off like that. And then I will go in, I gotta take off all my jewelry. Then I will go in with Shea Moisture Hibiscus, Coconut Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And will it focus? Okay, that's that. And I just put this in my hair. Just get a swipe like that much. And I rivet. And then I just put it throughout my hair. I always focus a lot of my products on my ends just because that's the part of my hair that gives me trouble in the center. So I do it like that. My center, I don't feel like got anything. And then I part it on two sides with just my fingers and just rub it in like that. And I focus in the back because my back tends to be really dry. And I just do that. And then see how it's starting to curl up, how my pattern is starting to form. So then I will go in. Yes, I don't put a lot, but I have to put this much because my hair will dry and it will frizz. So this is how I tame my frizz. So then I'm going in with the As I Am. I got hair all on my hands, hold on. I'm going in with the As I Am double buttercream. And this is not mine. It's actually my husband's. So shh, don't tell him. But I take a little bit of that, like that much. And I do the same thing. Rub throughout my hair. Focus it on my ends. And this just gives me a lot of moisture. Along with that Shea Moisture. I just like the way this smells. And it's thick. I like to feel my moisture in my hair. So I just start scrunching it up with that. Like so. And then that's pretty much it. I'm going to go in with some holding gel. This is Style Control Gel by Carol's Daughter. It's the Peroxy Nectar. And I just do this for my frizz because my hair will tend to get a bit frizzy in some areas. So I tend to just put a very little bit, like maybe that much, because I don't really need all of that. And I just scrunch it up with my hair like that. Now, this is the part when I start to style it a little bit more. I go in and pick my part where I want it. And I start to scrunch it. I start with the front with my scrunching, just because that's the focal point. And then when I go towards the back, I could tell like this don't have enough product back here. So I'll put some more product. You know, it's just not like wet enough. So that will frizz if it's not. So I'm gonna put a little bit more gel right there. Like so. And I just play with it, get it how I want it. My curls are starting to define. And I just play around with it. And I put it the way I know I want to wear it. So, and then I'm going to put my edge control in it like that. But before I do so, I'm going to go in, and this is my final step. So, I'm going to go in with the Flexible Style Sculpting Foam by Paul Mitchell. And this is mousse. So, any type of mousse will work. I just happen to have this one. So, we're using this one. And I'm going to go all through it like that. And y'all probably like, you just messed up the what you just styled with your hair. But it's okay, because it came right back. And this is what pretty much holds it along with the gel so it doesn't frizz. I'm natural. I have not had any chemicals in my hair in over 6 years now. So my hair is a lot of maintenance. It's very healthy though, so I love that I did go natural. I chose to go natural. I want to say my last year in high school, or yeah, that would have been right. My 11th grade year in high school is when I decided to go natural. And I've loved it ever since. It was a task. It's very high maintenance. I didn't do the big chop or anything, but I did trim off a lot of my hair. If I can find a picture, I inserted in this video of how short I cut it. But I cut it very short. So right now I'm just going in with some edge control to help lay down my edges the way I would like them to be. And I put it like just very little, just so they look a little sleek. Because once it's dry, it's going to look very nice. And I like to do my little sideburns like that. Yeah. Then sometimes I put it up through my part, so my part is defined. And then I do it like that, and that's pretty much it.